Kirk here from Localize. There are many ways that you can customize the default language switching widget. For this video, we're going to change one of the language names on our widget. Navigate to the widget page in your project. Scroll down to the Languages panel. Click the Edit Display Names link. Click on the language name that you'd like to change. Make your change, and when you're done, select the Done button. Click on Got It. Then click Save Changes. Your change has been made. We just need to refresh the browser in your site. Let's go look at your site. You'll notice that the language is still the old language name in the widget. If we refresh our page, look at our widget, we'll see our change. And we're done.